Hello children, today I am going to the new concept of the maths. Means this is important for you are doing the sums. No, the important of you are doing any sums you are using this concept. Okay, na children. See here, what is there in my hands? See here, what is there in my hands? Yeah, short scales. No, here what I am doing, you just see. Here, count 1. This is the 1. Again, I'll add one more scale. So, here 2. Next one, I'll add one more. So, 3. Next, 4. Next, 5. 6. 7. So, here what I am doing, I am counting the numbers one after one after one. Here I am counting means what here I am doing, I am adding. No, see there. Here in my left hand there are the scales. Now I bring to the next hand. It's here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like that the numbers we are adding. So today the lesson is addition. What is the concept, ma? Addition. 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 What is, ma? ADDITION. Addition. Addition means what? Addition means we are combine or joining or adding. Means one number to one we are combining or joining or adding. See here. Here see the in my hand there are the more chalk pieces. No. Here what I am doing here, I am adding one more. See there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like that here I am, what I am doing here, I am adding the numbers. One number to one number we are adding. See, no? What is there, ma? These are the balls. Here how many balls? 1, 2, 3. Now see there. Here 1, 2, 3. 3 balls are there. Again here 1, 2. Here what is the number? 1, 2. This is 3 balls and here 2 balls. These 3 and 2 we are joining. So in this the two numbers we are joining. What symbol we are use? Yeah, we are use means the two numbers we are joining means adding. Adding, what is the symbol of add? Plus. What is the symbol, ma? Plus. This is the symbol of addition. What is the symbol of addition? This is called as plus. 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 What? Plus. Plus. No? Means what? The one number. One number to one number we are adding. No? This is here how many balls? 1, 2, 3. 3 balls. And here 2 balls. Means these 2 balls we are, and these here 3 balls and here 2 balls. These 3 and 2 you are adding. So what symbol you are put here? Plus symbol. Plus. Now tell me the how many? 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many 3 plus 2? 5. How many? 3 plus 2? 5. No children? Means here what we are doing? These two numbers we are combining, joining or adding. No, this is the addition. Now I am giving C. Plus. No? See here 1, 2, 3, 4. How many mangoes here? 1, 2, 3, 4 mangoes. Here how many mangoes? 1. No? Here 4 mangoes. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 mangoes. Plus here 1 mango. 1. So 4 plus 1. See that? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 mangoes are there. 5 mangoes. 5 mangoes. See that? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 5. So how many mangoes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4 plus 1. See that? 1, 2, 3, 4. And again what we add? Another one more mango. So 5. So 5 mango. 4 plus 1, 5. This is the addition. Means you are adding the two numbers, three numbers or any numbers you are adding all together. What we call all together. The sum of the number we call as a all together. See here, no? The keywords of the addition. See the keywords of the addition. First one, add. What? Add. Or total. T-O-T-A-L. Total. Next one, sum. No? Next one, all together. All together. And we more call as more. One more. More. We are asking more. These are the addition of the keywords are what? Add, total, sum, all together and one more. See here. See here. Here how many flowers, ma? 1, 2. And here, see that. Here 2 flowers plus here 2 flowers. This means what we are doing here 1, 2 and 2 more. 2 more you are add. No children? Here 1, 2 means 2 flowers are there. Again how many you are adding? 2 more you are adding. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 plus 2 is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 plus 2, 4. So here what? The sum. The sum or total. Sum or total means ఈ 2 numbers ని మనం యాడ్ చేస్తే ఏమొచ్చింది? The sum is you are getting the answer. 2 plus 2 is 4. So you are adding these 2 numbers, you get the sum means total. This is called as total. No children? Like this. Means this is all together. Means all together. 2 plus 2 equals to 4. No children? 1, 2, 3, 4 plus. Here how many stars? 1, 2, 3, 4. The number, how many stars of the number? 4 stars. Here 4 stars. Next, plus. Here I will plus. Okay. Now here how many stars? 1, 2. 2 stars plus 2 stars. Now your add. This is the number of 4 and this is the number of 2. In this 4 stars, how many you are adding? 2 more you are adding. No children? Here they are the 4 stars. No. Next, in this number, how many more you are adding? 2 more stars you are adding. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. How many stars? 6 stars. No children? 4 plus 2, 6. Okay na? One, two, three, 4, 5. See that how many balloons here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balloons. How many balloons here? 5 balloons. Plus means you are adding. No, means you are joining the 2 numbers. Plus. Next. No. Here also how many balloons? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balloons. No? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 balloons here. And in this 5 balloons, in the 5 number, how many you are adding? More. How many you are adding? 4 more balloons you are adding. No? 1, 2, 3, 4. Means these 2 numbers you are adding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 4 more. 6, 7, 8, 9. So what is the total of this number? 9. So this is the sum, or this is the, you are called as a total. Means you are getting these 2 numbers, you are getting the answer. What is that answer? 9. Means this is called as a total. So 5 plus 4, you are getting 9. This is the sum and called as a total. No, this is you are adding 5 plus 4, adding, you get the total sum 9. No, this is the addition. I'll give one more example. See there. I'll give 3 plus 4. See there. Here, how many? What is the number? 3. And here, how many? 4. So, means 3 balls. 4 balls. No children? Now, you are counting. This is the horizontal sum. No? See that? 1, 2, 3. 3 balls. And here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balls. Now, these 3 number, you add how many? 4 more balls you are adding. Now, add these 3. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 plus 4, 7. 3 plus 4, 7. So, you are getting the sum or total. You are called as a total or sum. Means 3 plus 4 numbers you are add to get the sum or total 7. No, this is the addition now. Now you are using with your fingers and do the sums. Okay na children? 2 plus 4. You use with your fingers and add. Here what is the number? 2. So in the left hand you take 2 fingers. And here what is the number? 4. In the right hand you take 4. Now these 2 plus 4 you add. 1, 2. And how many you are adding? 4 more? No. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is the sum? 2 plus 4, 6. What is ma? 2 plus 4, 6. This 2 you are adding 4 more to get the sum or total. 3 plus 3. See this. 3 plus 3. Now you take the 3 fingers in one hand. And again, what is the number? 3 plus in another 3 fingers in another hand. Now you do this. These two both are your combined. No, means joining these two numbers. So 1, 2, 3. And how many more you are adding? 3 more. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. So what is the number? What you are getting this number? 3 plus 3. The sum is 6. No? These two numbers you are getting which number? 6. The sum is 6. 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3. So you take first here what is the number? 5. So you take 5 fingers in one hand and how many more you are adding? 3 more you are adding. So 5 plus 3. 3 more you are adding. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 3. 6, 7, 8. So 5 plus 3. What the sum you are getting? 8. What the sum you are getting? 8. No, this is the addition. You are adding one more example. 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 plus means what? What is the symbol of addition? Plus. Plus means the two numbers you are joining. జాయినింగ్ అంటే ఏం చేస్తున్నాం? యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాం అంట. ఒక నెంబర్ని ఇంకో నెంబర్ని రెండు నెంబర్ని కలుపుతున్నాం. యాడింగ్ అంటే ఏంటి? కలపడం. నో సీ దట్ హియర్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద 4. సో ద టేక్ 4 fingers in one hand and the next number is what? 5. So you take 5 fingers. Now tell me 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the 4, how many you are adding? 5 more you are adding. So in this hand 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 4 plus 5, what the sum you are getting? 9. What the sum you are getting? 9. 4 plus 5, 9 means total. ఈ రెండు యాడ్ చేస్తే ఎంత వచ్చింది టోటల్? 9 వచ్చింది. అవునా? దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ టోటల్. నెక్స్ట్ 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2. Now your 3 and you take 2 more. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the sum? 3 plus 2, 5 you are getting. This is the addition mark. Okay na? Do you understood how to means addition means what? You are joining the two numbers or adding or combining. No? Do you already learn in the prep class? No children? This is the addition. Again you are in the first class. Every class you are going, you are using the addition. The sums are there in the additions. No, additions, subtractions, multiplications, divisions. Like you are going one by one concept. Okay, now first of all you learn as the addition in the one digit. These are all the one digit additions. Now first of the 2 days you are learning one digit additions. No children? Okay.